Hey guys, it's Ralph and I'm back with another real estate update for the month of November. So the numbers are in and it's pretty well the same story that we've been repeating month after month. So sales up 3% GTA wide, and the overall level of inventory is down massively at 56% reduction in listings. And we're comparing that for November of this year versus last year. So what does that mean? If you had an unlimited budget and you could live anywhere in the GTA, you would have 56% less properties to see this past November versus the year previous. So what does this mean for prices? Well, of course, prices have been trending upwards at nearly 22% increase for the average price in the GTA. Now, what does that mean for you if you are a homeowner watching this video? Well, it means you're a little richer than you think. Average price has gone up $208,000 in 1 year. I'll let that sink in. $208,000 tax-free dollars in your pocket. You know, we've been saying for years and years that real estate is an excellent vehicle to gain wealth. It's an excellent investment, and part of the reason why is tax-free gains on your principal residence. So when you compare this to other opportunities to grow, whether it's cryptocurrency, the stock market, or whatever an investment of the month that people are talking about, real estate is tested and true for generations. In terms of the lack of supply, a lot of it has to do with the fact that new builds were constricted during COVID, and there's been a labor shortage, material shortage, and most people I know that are having a new house built has been delayed numerous times. That is part of the reason why there's a low level of supply. Think of this. Somebody buys a brand new home 2 years ago that's set to close in November. But because of COVID, that new build got delayed by 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. The home that they currently live in is not for sale. So what that means is if there was no COVID delays and their new home was ready, there would be a for sale sign likely in their yard of the home they currently live in. So you can see the compounding effect of lack of supply and how it impacts the entire market. As we head into 2022, we're expecting a lot of the same. So low levels of supply, but we're also expecting an increase in demand as immigration numbers will creep up. So that's something you have to keep an eye out for, is immigration numbers. They cannot build homes any quicker than they currently are. And if there's any policy changes, it's going to be an 18-month lag until those are actually felt by the ground level. So interest rates are creeping up for 2022. They will raise them 5 times next year. They've already clearly communicated that starting in March and April. So with increase in interest rates, it means it's going to be a very uncertain time in the real estate world, but I promise you prices will be trending upward. If you want to know some more information of how this data breaks down for your family, or you want to set up a private offline conversation, simply click on the Calendly link below. If you're just kind of curious, stay tuned. Next month, we'll be back with another informative update. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.